I'm Vinny Politan. Thank you so much for joining us. I've got this unreal video to show you in just a second, but I want to remind you what this story is about. It's about a man who loved his children. His name is Dan Markel. And because he loved his children and would not compromise and wouldn't take a payment of $1 million or anything else that would keep him away from his children, he's dead. He's dead. A jury's already told us that his ex-brother-in-law hired a hitman to take him out during a custody battle with the sister. Well, now the state and prosecutors say his estranged or ex-mother-in-law, Donna Adelson, also had a hand in all of this, in hiring someone to take out the father of her grandchildren. Her name is Donna Adelson, and we've got the arrest video for you tonight.
Hi, how are you? You have your ID?
Cell phone? No, I don't want to give it to you. Why do I have to?
Because my attorney said not to.
Why do I have to give it to you? This is evidence. Evidence. Madam, she's under arrest. I have to go with. I have to go. I have to go.
Let me help you out.
No, I have to stay. Please don't do this. You need to grab the bags. Take the bags. Yeah. You need to wait outside. Okay.
My husband's almost 80 years old. He can't come with me.
Please, can I go? No, you can't join me there. Oh, don't do this, please.
Please.
Oh,
Someone's got to help him get home. This is terrible. You can't do this. This is
Hold on to that for me. Is that okay with you?
Please. You don't have to have the handcuffs on. She's not going anywhere. Please. Please.
Do you have anything in your pocket?
No.
Do you have anything of value in you?
No,
Plus, you have a necklace on. You can take it off.
Yeah, take it off. Yeah. And the earrings, the rings, take everything. You give it to your husband. Because once you arrive at County Jail, they're going to make you remove all that.
Can I call my attorney?
You have a passport ready?
Where am I going?
Hold the company finger.
Where am I going?
You're going to the Dade County Jail.
Dade County Jail. No, this is right here, the one on 25.
Wait 1 second,
One
please.
second.
Please.
Okay. Do you have any other rings on?
I'm sorry. Remove your earrings. So you don't have them.
1 minute.
You gotta get right through this.
Yeah, we'll go back out and just.
You're making a mistake. It's no mistake. It's two
Do me a favor
mistakes.
and try to take the ring off. Can you get this off for me?
Can you take it off, please, Donna? I don't want to hurt her. Please.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Please.
It's getting there. That's all. Listen to me.
Yeah. I'll call.
Get an Uber. Go home.
I will.
Take
I
it
will.
easy.
I will.
All right.
Yes.
Here, hon.
If there's anything else in her person that you want to
Oh, but it's coming, sweetheart. It's coming. Just
All
a
right.
second.
do you have her driver's license by any chance?
I'm sorry?
Her driver's
It's in my
Yeah.
it's in my purse.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you could give it.
Sure.
It's
Do you need her
almost there.
passport? Or can I give it to the husband? The passport, can I give it to
What's wrong?
Where is it?
It's in the blue and white. It's in the blue and white.
Yeah, but I'm going to get her driver's license first. Yeah.
And the license, the address on your license is correct?
Yes.
She needs all her.
When she goes to
jail, they work in the hospital.
They're all in here, though.
Yes, they work. If I take them here, what will happen is when you go there, they possibly toss them out. So when you go to there, you will meet the nurse and the doctor, and then they'll work in conjunction with the hospital to get you whatever you need.
Yeah, but I don't have a list with me. I know what they're doing.
Yes.
I have a.
Is it multiple or is just one or two?
There's a bag of medication in here. Is that what you're asking me?
She can take
No, I know. I was just trying to find out if it was like one or two.
Yeah.
If it was one or two, then she may be good to take the name down.
Do you need anything else from her?
Can I ask
So
you
we're good to
something?
go?
Can someone just get my husband outside and
So I'll get him.
The gentleman here will assist him in any way possible.
I'll be okay.
I have
Wait.
the ring. Hold on.
Let me have the ring, please. No, I'll take it.
Okay, thanks.
All right, so we don't have the meds, honey, they're all in here. Give me 1 moment, please. Hold on. 1 moment.
Thank you.
Oh, sit, please. Be careful of your head. I will sit first. Put your feet in. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah. That's a comment, okay? Recording.
Step out a second for me. What? Okay. Thank you.
Turn around. I'm going to check you first, okay? Just stay still. Anything you have that may pinch me?
I have nothing else.
Okay. I still gotta ask.
No, I have nothing. I have nothing in my mouth.
Okay. I still gotta ask regardless. Okay? Turn around. Face me. I'm gonna do the same to the front, okay? Just to make sure nothing drops.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Back in?
Yes, ma'am.
Just get air conditioning on this.
Air condition doesn't go to the back because of the vent there, because of the plastic.
Can we open this a little bit then?
Absolutely.
That's great. That's fine.
Okay. It'll be freezing in the jail, so
Great.
you'll be glad you have it.
We're gonna take it. You're gonna get a gut ring.
Please get some water. Wait, I'm gonna want more. I'm gonna want more. Thank you. Do you know how long we're going to sit? Oh, how long we're going to sit here?
As he comes back, he's going to take you from here to the warrant floor and then to the facility.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, whatever information he took from you, I guess that's what he was missing, so he's going to enter that in the back.
Okay. So the next place is what? The warrant? What did you say?
Huh?
What did you say the next place was?
Well, see, what happened is the warrant that they have from you is from out of Leon County.
When did they issue a warrant?
So what happened is we have to take you to our warrant room for that information to get entered, and then after that gets entered, before we can take you to the jail, to the local jail.
Okay, because I didn't know there was a warrant. How would I know that?
Well, we wouldn't have been able to take you if there wasn't something in place.
So aren't they supposed to inform? Aren't they supposed to inform me if there was a warrant?
Well, I don't know the details.
Yeah, I don't either.
They had a warrant. The gentleman that you met earlier in the plain clothes.
Yes.
Right. And they were supposed to inform you of whatever. And then because it's a county warrant, that's how we became involved.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Here's up. Let me lock the door.
Just push my glasses up a little on my nose.
Absolutely. Like that.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Gonna go to that office right there on the corner. We get the door for you. Thank you. How you doing? That's how I see the room. This way, let's do this up. We turn that a little bit this way, so always protocol that we need to, you know. Rules and regulations. Ready? Whatever. Take your time, no rush, cover your head. We're gonna go through that door over in the corner. Can you show me a right with a TK? Ready for them? $6014. That's how I see it. Oh, you know what?
It's all good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why. Well, let's stand over there just in case it starts raining. Hello. How you doing, boss? Hello, folks. Yeah.
Donna Adelson in custody. What'd you think of that, folks, huh? How about that? Let's introduce our think tank. Joining us today in studio, criminal defense attorney, entertainment attorney Daryl Cohen. Also with us, criminal defense attorney and Emory University law professor Molly Palmer. And finally, the man behind the glasses, criminal defense attorney Josh Schiffer. How about that?
How about it?
So polite and kind, and my clients are going to start really complaining if they watch too many videos like that.
My concern is it wasn't Evian water that they gave her. I thought it should have been Evian or Aquafina, but not just this generic brand. I mean, it's not fair.
This all happened at the airport. I mean, she had the passport. They're on their way to Vietnam.
Oh, yeah, one-way ticket to Vietnam. It's fascinating on many levels. I think the behavior of the officers, obviously, they were very kind and very accommodating. We don't see that, usually. But beyond that, what about her demeanor? What about how steely and almost non-emotional she was, right?
Well, Harvey's sitting there, married, 80 years old, and he's like, okay, I guess I'll Uber home.
Yeah,
like, come on now.
Did you see Harvey wiping his forehead saying, it's over, finally, oh my gosh.
He kissed her.
Yeah.
Do people in cuffs get kisses? I've never seen that before.
I've asked and I've been told no.
Denied.
Welcome to never.
Yeah.
Wow.
Never before,
I don't know.
likely never again.
50-50 if you're in cuffs getting kissed. Like, it's a 50-50, but I'm not going to
So do you think, why do you think the tone of this was? Because she was cooperative? Because they're elderly? Because they know this is a big story? Why do you think it went down? Because what you're telling me, what I'm hearing is, this isn't how it usually goes.
Because this was at the airport, and this was videoed, and if it went down any other way, there could be repercussions against law enforcement. Better to be more gentle.
No, I handle a lot of arrests at the airport. It's federal jurisdiction. And there are many times where they're not concerned about your medication. They're not concerned about your jewelry. You're just going to put it into property and whatever happens, happens. They're not going to give you water. They're not going to, you know, if you ask for air conditioning in the backseat of the car, they're going to laugh at you. I mean, all of that is far from typical. And I think in this case, it might be because it's high profile. And maybe because she's elderly, I don't know.
And I agree with everything except maybe not far. It happens if you treat officers with respect. Generally, they're going to treat you with some reasonable treatment and respect. Maybe not bending over backwards like they did here, but really, officers give out what you give them.